Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to get back into your WordPress website after you have been blocked by Wordfence. So in this case, you can see I'm on my demo website, dev.manzari.com, WP login, but as I try to go to my login page, I get presented with this message here from Wordfence saying that my access to my website has been temporarily limited. Even if I come up here and change it to WP admin, same thing, I'm blocked. So how do you get back into your WordPress website? Well, you might be thinking that you can put in your email address right here and send an unlock email to yourself, but this option will not work if you have not set up any SMTP for your website. By default with AWS, there is no SMTP set up unless you've set it up. So this option would kind of be useless in this case. So what we need to do is log into our Amazon Lightsail instance. As you can see, I'm logged into my instance right here on Amazon Web Services. We need to go to the Connect tab and then come down here and click on this orange button that says Connect using SSH. And this is going to open up the online terminal. And in the online terminal, all we need to do is navigate to our WordPress directory. So I've actually pasted or included the command that you need in the description of this video. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in, push enter, and now we're logged into our WordPress directory. And then from here, all we need to do is run one more command to deactivate the WordPress plugin for Wordfence. So it's going to be sudo wp plugin deactivate and then the name of the plugin, which is Wordfence, push enter, and then you can see here deactivated one plugins. So now if we go back to our WordPress website and hit refresh, you can see now we have the login screen because Wordfence has been disabled. Wordfence is no longer active, so we're able to get back to our login screen. So now all I need to do is log in to the admin with my username and password, and here we are back in the WordPress admin. Now this is very important. Once you're back in, you'll want to go to plugins and you'll want to reactivate the plugin for Wordfence. So we're going to click here to activate it, but we're not done yet because let's say if you were to log out and try to log back in, you're going to get that message again that you've been blocked. So what we need to do first is remove the block because our IP address is blocked. So we need to come down here and click on Wordfence, go to Firewall, and then we're going to come over here where it says blocking, and then we need to remove this block. So as you can see, our IP address has been blocked by Wordfence due to multiple login failures. So just check the box, hit on block, and then unblock one more time, and this will remove our IP address. So now if we log out and we try to log back in, you can already see there is no warning message here. Even if I go WP admin, same thing, we're back at the login screen, and I'm gonna log back in once more. And then as you can see, we're back into our WordPress website, and if I go to the plugins page, you can see Wordfence security is active and we are no longer blocked. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.